The midpoint M, which is an ordered pair x and y of the line segment from point 1, x1, y1 to point 2, x2, y2 is given by this formula here. Again, the midpoint is some ordered pair, and all you do is take your x values, x1 and y, or x1 and x2, add them and divide by 2, then take your y values, y1 and y2, add them and divide by 2. What essentially all this does is it just averages the x coordinates of the endpoints and averages the y coordinates of the endpoints. That's all the midpoint formula does. So we have the first point, 3, -4, and the second point, 5, 4. So we can start off by just labeling each one just so we know exactly what's what. And then we can just take each one and plug them into their respective spot. So the midpoint is going to equal 3 plus 5 divided by 2, comma, -4 plus 4 divided by 2. So just do the arithmetic. 3 plus 5 is 8 over 2. -4 plus 4 is 0 over 2. And then just simplify it. 8 over 2 is 4, and 0 over 2 is 0. So the midpoint between these 2 points would be 4, 0. Next, we're going to find the midpoint between 2, -3 and 4, 2. Again, label them if it makes it easier. Nothing wrong with that. And then plug them into their respective spot. So the midpoint is going to equal 2 plus 4 over 2 and -3 plus 2 over 2. So 2 plus 4 is going to be 6 over 2, and -3 plus 2 is -1 over 2. Now we just simplify it down. 6 over 2 is 3, and -1/2 is just -1/2. So the midpoint between these 2 points is 3 and -1/2. Now we have the point -4, -3, and 2, 2. Just going to label them just for ease. And now I'm going to plug them in. So the midpoint is equal to -4 plus 2 over 2 and -3 plus 2 over 2. So -4 plus 2 is -2 over 2, and -3 plus 2 is -1/2 again from before. Just simplify this down. I'm going to get -1, and the other one stays as -1/2. So the midpoint between these 2 points is -1 and -1/2.